Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can download Ark Survival Evolve on your Windows computer. So yeah, let's start the video. So first all you have to do is open a browser, and from the browser search for Steam and you will find this Steam. Alright, just tap here and this will be the Steam website. All you have to do is then press this install Steam button and then again install Steam. So once you do this process, you will find the Steam setup in your device. Okay, depend upon your computer. So once you have this setup, just double click here and then we have to install Steam. Next, choose your language, next, and choose your destination and install Steam. Once you install Steam, you will find this Steam like this. Okay, so when you open Steam for the first time, you have to create a Steam account, so make sure about that. Just click on here, you will find this Steam application like this. Now from the store here, click on store, you will find this search. From here just type Ark Survival Evolve. So there is the game, see, just tap here. So these are the trailers, pictures. You don't have to visit here, just click this button. So there are two options, Ark Survival Evolve and its Ultimate Survival Edition. So depends upon your budget. If you want to buy this, you can go for it. If you want to buy this, you can go for it. So anyway, you have to just press add to cart, then view my cart, and then you have to pay the game. Just press this continue payment, and after that they will ask you to pay for the game. Use a credit card, debit card, and after you pay the game, your game will be somewhere in the library here. Just tap the game and install the game in your computer. So hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.